Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Okay, let's just open Snapchat. And now once we are here, we want to share a picture as a snap. For example, if you go here and then click a picture of your gallery and then you send it to the friends, then as you can see, it sends it in the chat. But we want to do the following: swipe to the right to the first lens and then go to the search bar and type in green screen. Now take the green screen in the middle of the upper row because it's from Snapchat itself. And now you can see the last photos of your gallery down here. You can of course swipe to the right, and let's just use this one. Now I'm tilting my phone until I'm not seen, and then I just click photo. And here I have the picture now. And now when I send it to my friend, as you can see, it got delivered as a normal snap. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.